To grasp the workings of humor effectively, it's crucial to engage in a practical analysis of certain jokes to unravel their mechanisms. To do so, we must take a few jokes, as an example, and analyze them. Let's delve into the structure and effects of the following joke. Molecule A, I just lost an electron. Molecule B, are you sure? Molecule A, I'm positive. This joke is a classic example of a pun and wordplay, particularly involving scientific terminology. Here's why people might find it funny. Play on words. The humor in this joke revolves around the double meaning of the word positive. In chemistry, when an atom loses an electron, it becomes positively charged. However, in everyday language, positive is also used to express certainty or affirmation. The punchline, I'm positive, cleverly plays on both meanings, creating a wordplay that is unexpected and amusing. Surprise element. A key element of many jokes is the element of surprise. In this case, the listener is led to expect a straightforward scientific explanation, but the punchline takes a sudden and humorous turn, catching the audience off guard. Simple and clean, the joke is concise and doesn't rely on complex setups. Its simplicity contributes to its accessibility and makes it easy for a broad audience to understand and appreciate. Common knowledge. While a basic understanding of chemistry enhances the joke, it doesn't require an in-depth knowledge of the subject. Many people are familiar with the idea that atoms can gain or lose electrons, making the joke relatable to a wide audience. Light-hearted nature. Puns often carry a light-hearted and playful tone. The joke doesn't rely on offensive or controversial themes, making it suitable for a general audience. In summary, the joke combines scientific terminology with a play on words, delivering a clever twist that tickles the audience's intellectual and linguistic senses. The surprise element and the simplicity of the wordplay contribute to its humor.